Here is the letter A. A is for apple, and A is for ant. Watch them go. Next up is the letter B. B is for bat, and B is for ball. Let's see them. Look, it's the letter C. C is for cat, and C is for cup. Aren't they fun? Here comes the letter D. D is for dog, and D is for dots. So many colors. It's the letter E. E is for egg, and E is for elephant. What a surprise! Meet the letter F. F is for frog, and F is for fish. Splish, splash. Look at the letter G. G is for goat, and G is for grass. Yummy. Here's the letter H. H is for hand, and H is for hat. Hello, it's the letter I. I is for ink, and I is for insect. Buzz. Time for the letter J. J is for juice, and J is for jar. Cheers. Look, it's the letter K. K is for king, and K is for kite. Fly high. Here's the letter L. L is for lamb, and L is for leaf. So soft. Next is the letter M. M is for man, and M is for monkey. Hello there. Discover the letter N. N is for neck, and N is for nose. Sniff, sniff. Look at the letter O. O is for ocean, and O is for oar. Waves. Here comes the letter P. P is for plum, and P is for parrot. Delicious. Meet the letter Q. Q is for queen, and Q is for quail. Bow down. It's the letter R. R is for rope, and R is for rat. Climb high. Look at the letter S. S is for sun, and S is for sunflower. Shine bright. Water drips from a colorful tap into a bubbly tub. T for tap, T for tub. It's the letter U. U is for uncle, and U is for umbrella. Stay dry. Discover the letter V. V is for violin, and V is for violet. Such sweet music. Look at the letter W. W is for well, and W is for water. Quench your thirst. Here's the letter X. X is for box, and X is for fox. Peekaboo. Time for the letter Y. Y is for yacht, and Y is for yellow. Sunny sails. Last but not least, the letter Z. Z is for zoo, and Z is for zebra. Roar!